Hello YouTube, it's Ro here. Thanks for visiting. If you've been here before, I appreciate you coming back. If this is your first time, I hope you will consider subscribing after this video. So for today, I am going to be harvesting my potatoes. Woo! Actually, I need the container and they should be done anyway. I planted them back on March 16th and today is July 5th. So they should be done anyways. I've been harvesting them little by little already anyway. But the reason I want to harvest them is because I need that container for something else. I was gonna plant some more potatoes in there, but something else came up recently and that thing is apparently invasive. And so I'm gonna take those potatoes out and put that thing in there. But I wanted to bring you guys along with me. So let's go see what I get out of that potato container, and then I'll show you what I want to put in it. It is an absolutely beautiful night. It's still relatively bright around here until about 9:30. That's when the sun starts going down. And right now it is 8:16. So we still have some daylight. Let's go see how I did with these potatoes. Well, we definitely got more potatoes in there. All right, let me get my gloves and we'll start digging. Maybe won't be much. Another sweet potato. That might be it. All right, that's it. Turns out I didn't have that much left in there anyways, huh? But still nice. I'd say prior to this dig, I've got about half a dozen potatoes like this. A few little small ones too. So I'm very pleased. Now let's go see what it is that I want to put in its place in that container. Da 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 da. In here, well, let me tell you what I bought. I bought these two plants and this one here. So these are what do you call it? Horseradish. And I bought these off a lady for 10 bucks. And then she had a rose bush, the pink rose bush cuttings for, I think it was 3 for 8 bucks. Yeah, because there's the third one there. And then she gave me this melon, I'm guessing. And this looks like mint. Those two were free to me. But these horseradish are what I want to put in that 18-gallon container. I hear tell that it can be invasive, and I don't want to start up with that just yet. So we're going to put it in that container. Also, somebody said that it gets really big. So we're talking like 4 and 5 feet wide. And then the roots can go down as far as 3-4 feet as well. And I think by putting it in that large container, I'll be doing myself a favor. So that's what's going to be going in there. So that's it for today. I will be coming back with another video telling you guys how I plan to use this horseradish. But for now, bye-bye and happy growing.